Hello, let's continue learning about stoichiometry, applying the concept of limiting an excess reactant. Now, this is the problem. Titanium is a strong, lightweight, corrosion-resistant metal that is used in rockets, aircraft, jet engines, and bicycle frames. It is prepared by the reaction of titanium 4 chloride with molten magnesium between 150 degrees Celsius and 1150 degrees Celsius. This is the balance equation. Titanium 4 chloride plus 2 magnesium will yield to 1 mole of titanium plus 2 mole of magnesium chloride. Now, in a certain industrial operation, 3.54 grams of titanium 4 chloride are reacted with 1.13 grams of magnesium. Now, let's calculate the theoretical yield of 10 grams and calculate the percent yield if 7.91 grams of titanium are obtained. Now, let's write the given. So, what are the given? So remember, we are applying the concept of the limiting and excess reactant. So titanium 4 chloride is a reactant and magnesium is also a reactant. So let's note of the grams of the following reactant. 3.54 grams of titanium 4 chloride and then 1.13 grams of magnesium. Now, we need to find the theoretical yield of titanium in grams. So meaning the required is grams of titanium. So we're done with the required. The equation will always followed by the given multiplied by the molar mass of the given multiplied by the molar ratio and multiplied by the molar mass of the required. Okay, so we're done checking. So always check the first step of the stoichiometry is to check if the equation is balanced. Now if it is balanced, you proceed with finding the molar mass. So let's find the molar mass. So the molar mass, let's find the molar mass of titanium 4 chloride. So the titanium atomic mass is already provided, but you always look at the periodic table. So 47.88 the atomic mass of chlorine is 35.45. Now take note of the subscript. Titanium has 1, chlorine has 4. So let's multiply. Okay, so 35.45 times 4, that will give us 141.8. Then we need to add that to 47.88. 189.68 grams per mole. Next is to find the molar mass of magnesium. So the atomic mass of the magnesium is just 24. Atomic mass is 24.31. And take note, magnesium, walang subscript. So multiply by 1. This will give us 24.31 grams per mole. Next is titanium. The titanium atomic mass is 47.88. Then, take note, walang subscript. You multiply it by 1. Boom. So we're done with the molar mass. Now let's proceed with the molar ratio. For the molar ratio, take note we have two reactants here. So therefore, we have two molar ratio, which is with titanium. So molar ratio is required or desired over given. Required natin, that's the titanium. So what's the coefficient of titanium here? That's 1. So 1 mole of titanium over, what's the given? Because go first with titanium, 4 chloride, which is also not written, meaning it's 1. Next naman with the magnesium, 1 mole of titanium over 2 mole of magnesium. So we're done with the 2 molar ratio. So we can now compute for the grams of titanium. So let's write the given. That's 3.54 grams multiplied by the molar mass of the given, which is 189.68 grams per mole. So always write the number in the denominator, which is 8 grams. And then 1 mole of titanium 4 chloride multiplied by the molar ratio. So because we have mole titanium chloride here, so we will be using this molar ratio. So 1 mole of titanium over 1 mole of titanium 4 chloride multiplied by the molar mass of the required, which is the titanium. So 1 mole of titanium, 47.88 grams. So let's multiply. So this will give us, don't forget the sig fig. So we have 3 significant figures. So the final answer will be 0.894 grams of titanium. So next, let's find the other reactant, convert it into product in grams. 1.13 grams of magnesium multiplied by the molar mass of the magnesium, which is 24.31 grams. And then you have 1 mole of magnesium multiplied by the molar ratio, which is this one. So 1 mole of titanium over 2 mole of magnesium multiplied by the molar mass of the titanium, which is same as this one. So we'll just copy with 8 grams. And then you have 1 mole of titanium equal, so let's compute. So 3 sig fig, that's 1.11 grams titanium. Did you get the same answer? So if yes, then let's proceed in finding the limiting reactant. So what is the limiting reactant? Remember, the limiting reactant is the one that consumes up first. So in terms of amount in grams, it will have a lesser amount. Which reactant has the lesser amount produced, which is 0.894 grams, and that is titanium 4 chloride. So that's your limiting reactant. Now, what will be the theoretical yield of our titanium? That will be the mass produced of the limiting reactant, which is 0.894 grams of titanium. Now, let's compute for the percent yield. So the actual yield from the problem is 7.91 grams of titanium. So the formula for the percent yield is actual yield over theoretical yield times 100. So our actual yield is 7.91 grams of titanium over 0.894 grams of titanium multiplied by 100. So what will be the percent yield? Take note of the sig fig. So sig fig into 3 significant figures. So the answer or the final answer must be 885%. So that will be our percent yield. So do you have any questions, clarifications? If you don't have, you can message us if you have any questions. Thank you.